Hello everyone, good morning. How are you? Hope you all are very fine. And as you know that I dropped the message in my WhatsApp group that your half yearly exams are going to come and the date is already announced. Yes, your half yearly exam is going to start from 29th October, right? So all the students, please keep watching the videos, and your notebook correction, second round of the notebook correction also will start from the next week, or no, maybe in this week only. So try to complete your notebook and send your notebook, right? Okay, so shall we start? Shall we start? Are you ready? All are you ready? Yes, you all are ready. Okay, dear students, we already started chapter number 6, our neighborhood, and you have seen the 5 parts of the chapter. You have already seen the 5 parts of the chapter. I already made you learn about the neighbors and the neighborhood. Everything I made you learn, right? So a small recap I am going to take, then we will write the new words. We will write the new words and we will solve the exercise, right? So the area near our house is called our neighborhood, right? The area near our house is called our neighborhood place. है ना? Neighbors is different. Neighbor means the families, those who are living nearby our houses, nearby our surrounding, nearby our colony. They are living in the same colony but at the different house. So they are our neighbors. They are our neighbors, and neighborhood means the area near of our house is called the neighborhood. People who live in neighborhood are called the neighbors. Yes, neighborhood may have the market, post office, hospital, bank, police station and fire station. These things should be needed in a neighborhood place. What are those? Those are the market, post office, hospital, bank, police station and the fire station. These all are the compulsory neighborhood places. It should be there. Apart from all these, some more neighborhood places are there, as like garden, like school, library, है ना? And so many more things should be there in your neighborhood. Only few are given in your book, but we need some more neighborhood places apart from all these, like police station, market, fire station, post office, bank and hospital. These are तो necessary, these are तो must, है ना? ये तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. लेकिन इनके अलावा भी apart from all these we have some more neighborhood place, like school, like library and so many more things, right? So being a good neighbor, we always help to the neighbors. We always ready to help our neighbors. We always live happily with our neighbors, right? We always have the good relationship with the neighbors. It is necessary for us. It is necessary for us. Okay, whenever there are any celebration at home, we should invite our neighbors. We should invite our neighbors, right? So always be a good neighbor. Always be a good neighbor. And some more qualities should be there in your neighbors and as well as you. See, neighbor should be reliable. Neighbor should be reliable. Reliable means in Hindi we can call विश्वसनीय, जिस पर हम विश्वास कर सके. Sorry. So neighbor should be reliable, है ना? जिस पर हम विश्वास कर सकें. विश्वास के साथ हम अपने बच्चे को छोड़ सकें उनके घर पर. विश्वास के साथ हम उनसे बातें शेयर कर सकें. विश्वास कर सकें तो उन्हें अपने घर के ताले की चाबी देकर कहीं जा सकें कि हमारे घर कोई गेस्ट आए तो आप उसको ये चाबी दे देना. अगर वो रिलायबल नहीं होगा तो वो कुछ भी हरकत आपके घर में कर सकता है, चोरी कर सकता है या कोई और भी हरकत कर सकता है. ओके, सो दिस क्वालिटी शुड बी देयर in a neighbor, that neighbor should be reliable. And second is cooperative. Second quality is cooperative. Neighbor should be cooperative. Okay, उसको cooperate करते आना चाहिए बेटा. Cooperate करना means सहयोग करना. We can call cooperate in Hindi सहयोग, right? And trustworthy. Trustworthy also. This is the third quality. Trustworthy means जिस पर हम विश्वास कर सकें, विश्वसनीय हो. Yes, he is a good neighbor. I can trust him. I can drop my house key at my neighbor's house because I can trust on him. Okay, when I will not at home, he will not do anything wrong. Okay, so apart from all the good thing about the neighbors, whatever is given in your book, apart from all these, some good things I am explaining to you, that the reliability of your neighbor. First one is your neighbor should be reliable. Second one, he or she should be cooperative. वो आपके साथ सहयोग करे, cooperate करे, right? And it should be trustworthy. Number 3, trustworthy. Number 4, respectful. Respectful means he or she should respect. Everybody has respect each other. If we will give respect, then we will get respect in back. अगर हम किसी को इज्जत देंगे तो ही बदले में हमें इज्जत मिलेगी, right? And caring also. Neighbor should be caring. वो आपकी care करे, caring for your feelings, caring for your things, caring for your child. Okay, so and one more thing, low on nice. What is the mean by low on nice? Sometimes we have seen that some neighbors, they are playing the music in very loud voice. They are playing the music in very loud voice. जोर जोर से गाने बजाते हैं. They are not thinking कि no, somebody is sick next to me. Somebody is not feeling good when they will hear this loud voice of the music. Oh, maybe possible the child of my neighbor, he or she is studying, so he or she will get disturbed if I will listen the music with the loud voice. So it should be necessary that your neighbor should be reliable, cooperative, trustworthy, respectful, caring and low on nice. आवाज धीमी, right? So these are the good qualities. These are the good qualities apart from your book. Apart from your book. Okay, and it is necessary to have the friendly relationship with your neighbors. It is necessary to have the friendly relationship with your neighbors. So you can go out with your neighbors on picnic. You can go out for watch the movies with your neighbors. So you will enjoy. You will fun. You will fun. You can organize a small kitty party. You can organize a small party. You can go with them for fun, for roaming, for picnic. You will get fun over there. है ना? So if you have good relationship, if you have friendly relationship with your neighbors, then definitely you will have fun in your life. Okay, so these some good qualities I explained. Apart from the book, it is necessary to a neighbor, right? So here we are finishing the chapter number 6, our neighborhood. Chapter number 6, our neighborhood. Now I am going to write some new words. Get ready with your notebook and write these new words in your notebook. Right, so chapter number 6 and name of the chapter, then your heading. What is your heading? Your heading is new words. Your heading is new words. Okay, so I am going to write number 1. Your first word is neighbor. Second is neighborhood. Third, stamp. When we will write a letter, when we will write a letter, then only we need the stamps. Stamps we will paste on the envelope, and we can get stamps from post office. Number 4, envelope. Envelopes. Okay, envelope means which envelope we can call in Hindi lifafa. In Hindi lifafa. Okay. Sometimes some courier you are receiving at your homes, है ना, some important documents, some important papers always come in envelope only. Always come in envelope only. Envelope means this kind of lifafa na, this wala. This is envelope, right? Okay. When you will go in any party, in any function, in any marriage party, sometimes you don't have the gift. So what mama or papa is doing? Mama and papa are keeping some money inside that envelope. उस लिफाफे के अंदर कुछ पैसे रखकर मम्मी शादियों में गिफ्ट करती है ना दूल्हा दुल्हन को, है ना. Have you seen that envelope? Yes, that is envelope. But official envelope is different. Official envelope is a plain envelope. वो पूरा plain होता है बेटा. And when we will go in any party, that time the envelope which we are using, that is the fancy. वो बहुत colorful होता है. That is the fancy envelope. But whatever envelopes we are using for official purpose, that is in white and yellow colors. White and yellow colors. And a stamp should be there on the envelope. Okay. Now postcard. Number 5, postcard. Number 5, postcard. Number 6, shorted out. Shorted out means, I already told you, in Hindi we can call छाटना, अलग अलग करना. When we will post the letter in the letter box, then postman will come, open the lock of the post box and keep the letter in his pocket or in his bag, and then go to post office, and there he will shorted out the letters according to particular cities and towns. Shorted out means अलग अलग करना. In Hindi we can call, right? Fall sick. This word you heard so many times. Fall sick means बीमार पड़ना, right? Number 8, ambulance. Ambulance means the vehicle, especially ambulance we can have only the hospitals. This vehicle is made for only the hospitals. When any emergency is there, when any person will meet with an accident, then only we are using the ambulance. We are using the ambulance in the emergency only. And what is the number? What we will dial, then we will get the ambulance. Yes, 102. Okay. Now number 9, emergency. Number 10, bank. Number 11, locker. Bank you already know. Bank means a place where we can keep our money safe, where we can keep our money as well as our jewelry also safe. So bank has the locker. Bank has a locker where we can keep our precious jewelry. So we can feel very safe. No, my jewelry is very safe. Now I am not afraid. Okay, मुझे किसी तरह का कोई डर नहीं लग रहा. I am not scared about thieves. Yes. Number 11, locker. Let's see what is number 12, jewelry. Locker is related with jewelry, is in bank. ATM card, which all the papas are using when they wants to withdraw the money. Bank provide us the ATM cards. Bank provide us the ATM cards, and when we will need a money, we can take out the money by using the ATM cards. ATM cards is provided by the bank. ATM is the bank service. Okay. Have you visited the ATMs? Yes, so many times you visited with your parents. Number 14, withdrawal money. Withdrawal money means which we can call in Hindi पैसे निकालना, है ना? We can't take out money from any other place except only bank. Except only bank. Bank and ATM can provide us the money. Here we can take out the money. Okay. So we can withdraw money from bank only. Now let's see what is number 15. Serve your guest. Okay, serve your guest. It means when you are not at home, then your neighbor will help you. Your neighbor can serve your guest. He can or she can attend your guest on behalf of you. When you will not at your home, then suppose any guest will come, then who will serve them? Yes, your neighbors. So serve your guest. Who will serve your guest? The neighbors. है ना? Okay. Now let's see. What is number 16? Shopping mall. Yes, you all are very fond of to go for shopping in shopping malls. You already visited so many shopping malls, especially in Indore. When you want to do the nice shopping, है ना? You have much of amount for shopping, then you will go on shopping malls. Why? Because shopping malls is the place where you can get the all kinds of things, whatever you want to buy, to purchase. You can get all these things at one place only. That is shopping mall. That place is shopping mall. Right? Number 70, law and order. Law and order. Law and order. Who maintain the law and order of your city, of your town? Yes, that is the responsibility of the policeman. Policeman can protect us not only from thieves, not only from bad people, but that is the most needed responsibility of a policeman. He or she should be maintain the law and order. Whatever order he get from the government side, he has to maintain that law and order in that particular city. Let's see number 18, firefighter. Firefighters, you have heard this name so many times. When we will discuss about the fire brigade. Okay, firefighter means persons, those who are fighting in the fire. Those who are fighting in the fire to save the pupil. To save the pupil, they are the firefighters. We can call them the firefighters. And number 19 is fire brigade. Number 19 is fire brigade. Okay, fire brigade means the vehicle which have the fire station, है ना? When fire breaks out in our neighborhood place, then we will call the fire brigade. And some firemen are coming out from the fire brigade and they starts the save the pupil, those who are in that fire. Yes, so these are the new words. Dear students, why I always speaking the new words? Because if you can't see properly, then you can write by listening. अगर आप ढंग से नहीं देख पाए तो आप सुनकर भी लिख सकते हैं. That's why I always speak. I am giving you 2 minutes time to complete neighbors, neighborhood, stamp, envelope, postcard, shorted out, fall sick, ambulance, emergency, bank, locker, jewelry, ATM card, withdrawal money, serve your guests, shopping mall, law and order, firefighters, fire brigade. These are the 19 new words. You can pause the screen or write, or you can take a screenshot. Okay. Now I am going to rub these new words and we will solve the exercise. Whatever exercise are given in your book, we will solve that exercise. Okay, now open your book, page number 38. Open your book and we will solve on page number 38. Right, so I am going to start with page number 38 and pick the correct option. You have to do in the book only, no need to write in the copy, in the notebook. Okay, so let's start. Pick the correct answer. Number 1 is, pick the correct answer. Okay, what is number 1? Number 1 is a market. A market has many. Option A, house. Option B, shops. And option C, school. So what is the right answer? A market has what? Market has so many houses. Option A, no, it is wrong. B, shops, or C, school. So what is the right answer? Yes, shop. So put the tick in front of the option B. Market has many shops. Let's see number 2. The doctor and nurses work in a where? Bank. Option number A, bank. Option number B, hospital. And option number C, fire station. What is the correct answer? What is the correct option? The doctor and nurse works in where? Bank? No. Hospital? Yes, hospital is the right answer. Fire station mein to firefighters are working. Right? So put the tick mark in front of the hospital. Let's see number 3. Which one provide an ATM service? which one provides an ATM service? Which one provides an ATM service? Let's see what are the options. Option A, bank. Option B, police station. And option C, fire station. So what is the right answer? Which one provide an ATM service? Police station? No. Police station maintain the law and order. Fire station? Fire station is for firing. Yes. And the bank provide us the ATM. So put the tick mark in front of the bank. Right? I'm giving you 1 minute time. You can take screenshot. Or these all are the very easy, you can do it yourself. Okay, number 1 का B, shops, number 2 hospital, number 3 bank. Now I am going to rub all these and we will do the true and the false on the same page. Write true or false. Right, true or false. Let's see what is number 1. What is number 1? We should be friendly to our neighbor. We should be friendly to our neighbors. This I already explained you within few minutes before. Yes, always have the friendship kind of relationship with your neighborhood. So this option is true. This statement is true. Let's see what is number 2. A neighborhood has only one house. A neighborhood has only one house. Only one house. This statement is right or wrong? Neighborhood. So there should be so many places. There should be so many places on your neighborhood. Right? There should be so many houses. So this statement is wrong. जहाँ पर सिर्फ एक घर होता है that is farm house. वो खेतों में बनाते हैं, उसको हम farm house बोलते हैं, है ना? So this statement is false. Right? False in front of number 2. Number 3. Let's see what is number 3. We can keep our money safe in a bank. We can keep our money safe in a bank. Yes, this statement is completely right. It is completely true. We cannot keep much of amount at our home. We are not feeling safe. हमारे मन में ही चलता रहेगा कहीं चोर चोरी नहीं कर ले, कोई आ नहीं जाए, पैसे नहीं गुम जाए, चोरी नहीं हो जाए, है ना? But when we will keep our money in the bank, we are not feeling unsafe. When we are keeping the money in the bank, we are not feeling unsafe. तब हमें unsafe feel नहीं होता है, हमें लगता है नहीं. We give our money in the safe hands, right? So this option is completely true. So write true. Let's see what is number 4. Our neighbors give us a sense of security. Yes. The neighbor give us a sense of security. Yes, this option, this statement is completely true. It is completely true. Neighbors हमें सेफ्टी की श्योरिटी देते हैं. Yes, when we have good neighbors beside our houses, then we feel very safe and secure. So this statement is true. Let's see what is number 5. The duty of a fireman is very risky. This statement is right or wrong? The duty of a fireman is very risky. Are you agree with this statement? Yes. जो दूसरों को आग से बचाने के लिए आग में जाएंगे ना बेटा, तो वहाँ पर रिस्क तो रहेगी. So the duty of a fireman, it is very risky. उनकी खुद की भी जान जा सकती है दूसरों की जान बचाने में. So this statement is also true. This statement is also true. Right? So everything is given. Everything is written in your book. No need to write. Only you have to write the true, false, true. है ना? So this no need to write in the copy. Do in the book only. Okay. Now let's see what is number C. Which shop will you visited to buy all these things? Match the item with the shops. This I am giving you as a homework. Number C वाला exercise. This exercise I am giving you. This exercise I am giving you as a homework. ये आपको homework में करना है. Right? Okay. Okay. Now we will write the question and the answers. We will write the question and the answers. Okay. Answer the following question. Your heading is answer the following question. Answer the following questions. Okay. Let's see what is number 1. Question number 1. Where do you go to buy things of daily use? Where do you go to buy things of daily use? Where we are going to buy the things of daily use? Yes, market is a place where we can buy the things, whatever things we are required in our day-to-day life, we can get. So answer is we go to market to buy things of daily use. Okay. Now let's see what is question number 2. Why do the hospital have ambulance? Number 2. Why do the hospital have ambulance? Why do the hospital have ambulance? हॉस्पिटल में एम्बुलेंस क्यों होती है? The hospital have many ambulance to bring patients in ambulance. Right, so hospital have many ambulance to bring patients in ambulance. Bring patients in emergency. Sorry, emergency word will come over here. Emergency. Right, the hospital have many ambulance to bring patient in emergency. Let's see what is number 3. What happens where there barks out a fire in the neighborhood? What happens where there barks out a fire in the neighborhood? So answer is the Red Fire Brigade brigades with their loud siren come to save people. Right? Number 4. So there is no time to write number 4, so I am not going to write. Okay. Today we will write only 3 question and answer. Remain we will write in the next video. write in the next lecture. But do study at your home and keep ready your notebook, because soon we will call your notebooks for correction, and your half yearly exam is going to start from 29th of October. So prepare your half yearly exam. Your syllabus of half yearly exam is chapter 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. These 5 chapters will come in your exam. So read entire chapter very carefully. True, false, fill in the blanks, one word, one line, answers and MCQs. Right? So till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Keep study, keep watching. Bye.